Grade 10, MEET 2, 20 marks question, 40 minutes exam. Section A. Choose the correct answer. First question. The roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 0.04 is equal to 0 are option A 0.4, option B 2, option C plus or minus 0.2, option D plus or minus 0.02. Solution. X square minus 0.04 is equals to 0. X square equals to 0.04. Then x equals to square root of 0.04, which is nothing but plus or minus 0.2. The solution is option C, plus or minus 0.2. Second question. Which of the following equation does not have real roots? Option A, x square equal to 0. Option B, 2x minus 1 equal to 3. Option C, x square plus 1 equal to 0. Option D, x square plus x cube equals to 0. Solution. X square plus 1 equal to 0, where your A value will be 1, B value to be 0 and C as 1. Substituting in the discriminant b square minus 4ac, we get the value to be minus 4, which is negative, hence it has imaginary roots. Hence the answer is option C, x square plus 1 equal to 0. Third question. How many real solutions can a quadratic equation have? Option A, 0 or 2 solution. Option B, only 2 solutions. Option C, 0, 1 or 2 solution. Option D, only 1 solution. Since a quadratic equation has the highest power to be 2, the solution also has a maximum value to be 2. Hence, the answer is option C, 0, 1 or 2 solutions. Fourth question. Quadratic equation whose roots are 7 and 1 by 7 is option A, 7x square minus 50x plus 7 equal to 0. Option B, 7x square minus 50x plus 1 equal to 0. Option C, 7x square plus 50x minus 7 equal to 0. Option D, 7x square plus 50x minus 1 equal to 0. Solution. The sum of the roots, which is alpha plus beta, is equal to 7 plus 1 by 7, which is equal to 50 by 7. Product of the roots, which is alpha into beta, is equal to 7 into 1 by 7, which is equal to 1. Substituting in the equation x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equals to 0, we get k into x square minus 50 by 7 x plus 1 equal to 0. Taking k equal to 1, we get the solution to be 7x square minus 50x plus 7 equal to 0. So the answer is option A, 7x square minus 50x plus 7 equal to 0. Fifth question. 3 positive numbers in an arithmetic progression have sum 30. What is the middle term? Option A, 4. Option B, 10. Option C, 16. Option D, 8. The 3 terms in an AP are taken as a minus d, a and a plus d. Sum of the 3 terms is equal to 30. Then a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 30. Plus d and minus d gets cancelled. We get 3a is equal to 30. Then a is equal to 10. So the answer is option B, 10. Sixth question. The 10th term of the arithmetic progression 5, 19 by 4, 9 by 2, 17 by 4 is option A, 11 by 4, option B, 4 by 11, option C, 13 by 4, option D, 4 by 3. Solution. 5, 19 by 4, 9 by 2, 17 by 4 is the arithmetic progression, where your A value will be 5, D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 19 by 4 minus 5, which is 1 minus 1 by 4. Then we need to find the 10th term, which is A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We get A plus 9D, which is 5 plus 9 into minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 11 by 4. So the answer is option A, 11 by 4. Seventh question. If an is equal to 3n minus 2, then the value of a7 plus a8 is option A, 39, option B, 41, option C, 47, option D, 53. Solution. An is equal to 3n minus 2. A7 is equal to 3 into 7 minus 2, which is 19. A8 is equal to 3 into 8 minus 2, which is 22. A7 plus A8, we get 19 plus 22, which is equal to 41. So the answer is option B, 41. Eighth question. Assertion. Common difference of the arithmetic progression 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 is 4. Reason. Common difference of the arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3, comma until an is obtained by d is equals to an minus 1. Options A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Answer option D, A is false but R is true. Section B, 2 marks, 9th question. Solve the given quadratic equation 4 into root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 using formula method. Solution: 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 is the given equation. A is equal to 4 root 3, B is equal to 5, C is equal to minus 2 root 3. The quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substituting a, b and c values, we get, on simplification, root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. 10th question. If 2k minus 1, 9k and 5k plus 23 are an arithmetic progression, find the value of k. Solution: 2k minus 1, 9k, 5k plus 23 are an arithmetic progression. Then a1 is equal to 2k minus 1, a2 is equal to 9k, a3 is equal to 5k plus 23. The common difference between a1 and a2 as well as between a2 and a3 are equal since it's an arithmetic progression. So d1 is equals to a2 minus a1, which is 9k minus 2k minus 1. We get the value to be 7k plus 1. The common difference d2 is equals to a3 minus a2, which is 5k plus 23 minus 9k. We get it as minus 4k plus 23. Since the common difference are equal, d1 is equals to d2, then 7k plus 1 is equals to minus 4k plus 23. On equating, we get the value of k to be 2. 11th question. Given a is equals to 5, d is equals to 3 and an is equals to 50, find n and Sn. Solution: an is equals to 50. On substituting in the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 50, where a value is 5 and d value is 3, we need to find the value of n. So we get n minus 1 is equals to 15. So n is equals to 16. Since we got the value of n to be 16, on substituting these values in Sn formula, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we get 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. We get the Sn value to be 440. Section C, 3 marks. 12th question. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and to reach the destination 1500 kilometers away in time, it must increase its speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speed. Find its usual speed. Solution. Let us take the speed of the plane to be x km per hour. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. The time with increased speed is 30 minutes, which is nothing but half an hour. So hence, on framing the equation, we get 1500 divided by x plus 250 is equals to 1500 divided by x minus 1 by 2. On taking LCM, we get 3000x is equals to 3000x plus 7,50,000 minus x square minus 250x. On further simplification, we get the x value to be minus 1000 or 750. Since speed cannot be negative, your x value will be 750. The usual speed of the plane is 750 km per hour. 13th question. The sum of 3 terms in arithmetic progression is 21 and their product is 231. Find the numbers. The first 3 terms of the AP are taken as a minus d, a and a plus d. Sum of the 3 terms is equals to 21, which is a minus d plus a plus d is equals to 21. Plus and minus d gets cancelled, so 3a is equals to 21. A is equals to 21 divided by 3, which is equals to 7. Product of the 3 terms is equals to 231. which is a minus d into a plus d is equals to 231. On substituting the value of a to be 7, we get the d value to be plus or minus 4. So case 1 we take as a is equals to 7 and d is equals to plus 4. We get the arithmetic progression as 3, 7 and 11 and so on. Case 2 we take a is equals to 7 and d is equals to minus 4. We get a minus d, a and a plus d as arithmetic progression as 11, 7 and 3 and so on. Thank you children. Thank you for listening.